Hey guys, welcome to this video.
Andymath.
What is the area of this triangle? And it gives us a 45, 45, 90 triangle with a hypotenuse of 6. There's a lot of ways to do this. Two best ways is either recognizing this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, which in 45, 45, 90 triangles, these two sides are x, and this one is root 2 times x. That's true for all 45, 45, 90 triangles. So in this case, you could say, okay, well, the 6 is my hypotenuse. So I'm going to set 6 equal to root 2x. So these two sides are x. We don't know what it is. In order to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by root 2. And we end up with x equals 6 over root 2. And we're not allowed to have a root in the denominator. So we're going to multiply top and bottom by root 2. So we end up with 6 root 2 over, and then root 2 times root 2 is 2, equals x. And the 6 and the 2 reduce, so we're left with x equals 3 root 2. So that's just our x. Now the area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. Our base we just solved was 3 root 2, and our height's also 3 root 2. It's upside down, but you can still see that this is the base and the height. So we're just going to do 3 root 2 for the base times 3 root 2 for the height and divide it by 2. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Root 2 times root 2, we just discussed, is 2, and we're still dividing by 2. The 2's cancel. 9 is the answer. And since it's an area, we're going to say units squared. And that's the answer to the question. The other way to do it is doing Pythagorean theorem. I'll actually show you that. Should I give you time to write this down? Maybe you can pause it if you want to write this method down, but I'm going to erase all this stuff and do it another way. Cool. So I erased everything. I left the formula for the area of a triangle because we'll need that. And I also left the answer so we can compare that. So the other thing you can do is just call both these. We'll just call it x again. And for this one, you're going to do Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to say x squared plus x squared equals 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. And this would be 2x squared, because x squared plus x squared means you now have 2 of them, 2x squared. Then we can divide both sides by 2, and you get x squared equals 18. Then when we square root both sides, we get x equals root 18. We can probably just leave this as root 18. Let's just do that. This could be simplified, but we don't need to simplify it for this problem. So the root 18 is our x. So this right here is root 18. And this right here is root 18. So now we're going to use the formula. Our base is root 18, and our height is root 18, and then we're going to divide by 2, because that's what you do in the area of a triangle. Root 18 times root 18 is 18, and then we're going to divide by 2 still. And 18 over 2 is 9, just like we got before. So 9 units squared is the answer to the question. So I hope one of those made sense. Hope they both made sense. Please like and subscribe. Check out Andymath.com for more videos and study guides. I have some links down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.